Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your MG Hector with a manual key. First, you'll need to access the manual key itself. It's cleverly hidden inside your car's smart key fob. Look closely for a small button or a sliding switch, usually on the side. Press or slide this mechanism, and then gently pull the metal key blade out. This manual key is your backup for situations when the remote isn't working. Now that you have the manual key, head over to the driver's side door of your MG Hector. The keyhole might not be immediately obvious, as many modern cars conceal it for a sleek look. Carefully inspect the door handle itself. You might find a small, discreet slot, or there could be a tiny cap that needs to be gently pried off to expose the keyhole. Take your time to locate it without forcing anything. Once you've found the keyhole, insert the manual key all the way in. It should slide in smoothly without much resistance. Now, gently turn the key clockwise. You'll typically need to turn it about 1/4 of a full rotation. You should hear a distinct click, which confirms that the door's locking mechanism has successfully disengaged. After hearing the click, you can then pull the door handle to open your car. Congratulations, you've successfully opened your MG Hector. Once inside, you might find that the car doesn't immediately start if the remote's battery is completely dead. In such cases, try placing the key fob directly against the start/stop button. This often allows the car to detect the key's transponder and initiate the engine. Remember to replace your key fob battery soon to avoid future manual entry situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.